Inspirational quote of the day. The fastest way to change yourself is to hang out with people who are already the way you want to be. Reid Hoffman. Please support me. Click on subscribe. Then click on the bell. Thank you for watching. Please tap the below to view videos of the same series.